my god, guys, it's getting crazy in here. If you want crazy time, you come here.
Okay guys, we've been craving pizza like forever. I don't know what it is, but we've been craving pizza. And then we found this place, I'm like, okay, let's just go in and get pizza and spaghetti and chicken. Christina got spaghetti with sausage because we saw these other people's plates of spaghetti and it looked so good and we're like, oh my god. She got spaghetti, I got pizza, and I'm so excited. It's really cheap in here, so highly recommend. We'll tell you how good it is. We'll get
Oh my gosh, guys, look at
okay guys.
this.
This was $2.80 CUC, which is what in Canadian dollars? Like $4,
$4.
maybe like $3.50. Hers was the same. And look at these portions, guys. Like, I'm so excited. This is such a good price. Come here, guys.
Oh my gosh, just look at that.
Oh, bro. Look at that grease.
The smell is like fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Verdict?
Oh yeah.
Good? Oh, bro. My pasta. Oh my god.
There's like chocolate crepes, ice cream. It's like $2.95, $3.95. $4 for crepes. $2.42.
And honestly, guys, I can't eat a lot here, so there better be small portions. Okay, Emma, you have to try it.
Let's just try and try it.
It's good? I like it.
It's very grainy. It tastes like mojito kind of.
It's like a mojito.
Oh yeah, so good.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look how good that looks. Oh my god, am I excited?
Yeah.
So excited to eat! So we're at the bar Manzana. Look how nice it is.
Apple bar.
The Apple Bar. Super modern. There's AC. It's nice. We ordered a drink. Oh, ordered a drink. 2 drinks. Pina colada. So let's see.
Hey.
It's actually so good. Look how cute it looks. The verdict. Oh, it's strong. Oh,
Hello?
hola, baby.